Hello, hi, and welcome back to all my dear children out there. We had started with the chapter circle and done two theorems related to properties of chord. Now, those theorems we'll be using to solve practice set 6.1. Before we go on to practice at 6.1, I want you all to please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, as I will be posting more sums from chapter circle, and so that you get the notification first and you can be prepared with the chapter. Okay, the first question goes this way. Distance of chord from the center of circle is 8 centimeter. Length of chord is 12 centimeter. Length of chord is 12 centimeter. Find the diameter of the circle is the question. So we need a figure here, and what will be that? It will be a circle. We will show one chord and its distance from the center. Okay. So take your pro circle or compass and draw a circle. Okay. So as you can see, I have drawn a circle. Now we have to show distance of chord. The name of the chord is AB. So we have named the chord AB, the chord as AB, and the distance of this chord AB from the center, let us name the center as O. Distance of chord AB from the center is 8 centimeter. So this distance of this chord AB from the center is 8 centimeter. So that is this distance we are talking about. Distance always measured perpendicular. Okay, so you can put the perpendicular sign like this. Next information given is length of the chord is 12 centimeter. So this whole chord is of the length 12 centimeter. And on this 12 centimeter, if you have this perpendicular, then the perpendicular will divide the chord AB into two equal parts. So this equal parts I'll show, and this property also we have to write it down. The question is, find the diameter of circle. If I join this OB, okay, as you can see, when I join OB is nothing but the radius. Radius you will get, as you can see, you have a right angle triangle here. So right angle triangles, hypotenuse is the radii of the circle. Right angle triangles hypotenuse is radius of the circle. We don't know the radius, but we know OM. This point I'll name it as M. We know OM. Distance of chord from the center is OM, and that is 8 centimeter. How much is MB? How much will be MB? When there is a perpendicular on the chord, this perpendicular will divide the chord into two equal parts. Full chord is 12 centimeter, so 12's half is 6 centimeter. That means MB will be 6 centimeter. Okay, so let us write all this thing. Let us write to find first. To find, what is to be found? Diameter of circle. To find diameter. Okay, so this way I have written. Now we'll start with the solution. We'll write circle with center O, chord AB is equal to 12 centimeter, segment OM, chord from center, the distance is 8. So segment OM is equal to 8 centimeter. Now, how much will be MB? So we will write therefore AM is equal to MB. AM is this much, MB is this much. AM is equal to MB is equal to half of the whole chord AB. Half of this full chord AB. Write the reason. Full reason you have to write. The perpendicular from the center to the chord bisects the chord. This statement you have to write. Therefore, how much will be MB? MB is equal to half into 12, half of 12, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So MB we got 6 centimeter. Okay. So therefore MB is equal to 6 centimeter. Fine. Now once you get MB, OM also we know 8 centimeter. Take right angle triangle OMB, use hypotenuse side test and get OB. Okay. After you get OB, if you have the radius, can you get the diameter? 2 into radius will give you the diameter. Okay. So remaining part you solve. You will get 1 mark for this reason. Okay. So writing reason is important. Okay. So we got MB as 6 centimeter. Then I told you to take this triangle OMB. See, I have written the remaining steps here. In triangle OMB, by hypotenuse side test, hypotenuse square. So for this circle, you have this right angle triangle OMB. Hypotenuse is OB square is equal to OM square plus MB square. OM is 8 and MB is half of 12, 6. So I wrote 8 square plus 6 square. 8 square is 64, 6 square is 36, 100. 64 plus 36, 100. OB square is 100. OB square is 100. So what will be OB? OB will be square goes to opposite side, square root of 100. OB will be 10 centimeter. Radius of circle will be 10 centimeter. Why? Because OB is nothing but the radius. OB is radius. So this radius, if you double it, that will become the diameter. 8 plus 8, 16. Okay, so diameter of circle will be 2 times radius. So you got 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 centimeter. Write the final answer. Diameter of circle is 20 centimeter and highlight your answer. Okay, so very easy sum. Let's move on to the second question. Okay, now moving on to the second question. Diameter of circle is 26 centimeter and the length of a chord is 24 centimeter. Find the distance of chord from the center. First, let us make our circle ready and we will show all these details. I have taken a bigger circle. You can decrease the size of the circle. For proper understanding, I have taken a bigger circle. Diameter of circle is 26 centimeter. Okay, diameter is given. Show the center. Length of chord. So we want a chord now. Find the distance of chord from the center. I have taken the circle this way and the chord this way. This is the chord that I have taken. I'll name this chord as AB. Okay. Every time I don't want to take the chord here. This time I took the chord this side. And we know the length of the chord is 24 centimeter. So this whole chord with the arrow I'll show. This is 24 centimeter. Diameter of circle. Diameter also I have shown. The whole diameter is 26 centimeter. Okay. So if the diameter is 26 centimeter, how much will be the radius? Center I have shown as O. How much will be the radius OA? Half of 26. So radius will be 13 centimeter. It's same like the previous sum. In the previous sum, they had given you the distance of chord from the center. ये दिया था. Distance of chord from the center was given as 8. Here we have to find the distance of chord from the center. Other two details they have given. Always we know that from the center to the chord the distance perpendicular. Okay, so first only you show this perpendicular sign. Whole chord is 24 centimeter. How much will be half of that? 12. Okay, so this distance of the chord from the center, distance of the chord from the center, we will name it as OCO. This time I'll take it as OC. OC. So our question is find the distance of chord from the center. Again you will take this right angle triangle. Now here you have to write about diameter, then half the diameter you get radius. Then again we will use the property perpendicular from the center to the chord, bisects the chords. So full chord is 24. How much will be half of that? That is CA. How much will be CA? 24 ka half, 12. Okay, so all that we will write. Before that we will write to find. what is to be found once your figure is ready to find distance of chord from the center. That is, we want to find OC. Length of OC is to be found. Right, solution. Circle with center O. No hard and fast rule that you have to write the steps as I write. If you want to write about the chord first, you can write that. If you want to write about the radius, you can write that. Only check whether all the steps are written. So you solve the sum and then check it from me. Okay, so pause the video. I will also solve, you also solve, and then at last check. Okay, circle with center O. Chord AB is equal to 24 centimeter. Then diameter is equal to 26 centimeter. So I want to write first about the radius. So I'll write therefore radius, name of the radius is segment OA. Radius, which is equal to segment OA, is equal to 26 upon 2, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, then I will mention about the chord. That is, chord AB is 24 centimeter. I have written. So I'll write therefore, here before that write OA 13 and put it in a box. Now I'll write about BC is equal to CA is half of AB. Okay, length of BC is equal to length of CA is equal to half of AB. Why I am saying this? Perpendicular from the chord will bisect the chord. So reason is important. The perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle, to the chord bisects the chord. Okay, so remaining part I'll write here. Here I'll show. Therefore, if the whole chord is AB is 24, how much will be BC or CA? Therefore, BC is equal to CA is equal to half of 24. Therefore, length of BC is equal to length of CA is equal to 12 centimeter. Put this also in box. Now, like we did in the previous sum, take this triangle OCA. In triangle OCA, by hypotenuse side test, hypotenuse square is OA square is equal to OC square plus CA square. OC square plus CA square. Do you know OC? We don't know. We want to find that only. Okay. Do you know OA? OA, yes. OA is 13. So 13 square is equal to OC square we don't know plus CA. Just now we got CA 12. Just now we got CA 12 square. So 13 square is 169 is equal to OC square plus 144. 169 minus 144 is equal to OC square. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 4, 2. So how much will be OC? OC will be square root of 25, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so simple. So you got OC. Very easily you got 5 centimeter. That is the question. Distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. Write the final answer in full sentence. Distance of the chord from center is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, so second sum also you got it easily. Mainly all the sums you have this figure. You will have a right angle triangle. Either they will give you the radius or you have to find the radius, or they will ask you to find the distance of chord from the center, or they will ask you to find the length of the chord. Any one question will come surely out of this for your exam. Okay, now let us move on to the third sum. Third sum, I will explain to you how to do the sum. Remaining sums you have to do. Okay, so what is the question? If you get the figure, you can get the answer easily. Radius of circle is 34 centimeter. Okay, so we will draw a circle. We'll give a center O. Radius of the circle, I'll take like this. Radius of the circle is 34 centimeter. And distance of the chord from center. Distance of a chord. So chord also from here we will draw a chord. Draw a chord. Yeah, so I have drawn a chord like this. Distance of chord from center is given. So that means this perpendicular distance. Chord ka distance center se. So without fail, show this perpendicular sign. Distance of chord from the center is given as 30 centimeter. So this distance, perpendicular distance is 30 centimeter. Question is find the length of the chord. Now I told you, no, sometimes they will ask you to find radius. Sometimes they will ask you to find the distance of chord from the center. Now this is the third type. They are asking you to find the length of the chord. Okay, the question is find the length of the chord. Again our right angle triangle is getting ready. You know, we will name it as, what you want to name? OZ? Oz. Chord I will name it as PQ. This time I will name it as PQ. So you will write the given details. Circle with center O. Then chord AB we don't know. We know about the radius. Radius OP is equal to 34 centimeter. Then you will write length of ON, or you can write segment ON anyway, is equal to 30 centimeter. Chord from the center distance is 30 centimeter. Then you will write to find what is to be found, length of chord. Chord PQ is equal to question mark, or you can write length of PQ is equal to question mark. Anyhow, okay, now comes the main answer. Okay, now comes the main answer. Solution. You have to do this. I'll just tell you what you have to do. First, you will write segment OP is equal to 34 centimeter. Then you write segment ON is equal to 30 centimeter. Then write one statement. Segment ON is perpendicular to chord PQ. ON is perpendicular to chord PQ. अभी क्या करेगा ये perpendicular? It will divide the chord into two equal parts. Okay, but we don't know the length of the chord now. Fine. So let us find out NP. Fine. For that we will take the right angle triangle ONP. So we will write in triangle ONP by hypotenuse side test. Hypotenuse side test. What is it? By hypotenuse side test, OP square is equal to ON square plus NP square. OP square is equal to ON square plus NP square. Do you know OP? Yes, you know OP as 34 square is equal to ON is 30 square plus NP we don't know. Okay. Now this calculation you can do anyhow, but what I like to do is like this. Means I'll bring 34 square, 30 square if it comes here, it will become minus 30 square is equal to MP square. Now I want to do A plus B and A minus B. That property. A square minus B square is A plus B, A minus B. So I'll first add 34 plus 30, 34 minus 30. Okay, you can do by any method. You can do 34 into 34, find the answer, 30 square answer, and then solve. So this is what I like to do. I did 34 plus 30 into 34 minus 30 is equal to MP square. 34 plus 30 is 64. 34 minus 30 is 4 is equal to MP square. Now I did not multiply. I want to make the steps easy. So what I did is we want to find NP, no? So square goes to opposite side, square root of 64 into 4. Because we know the square root of 64 is 8 and the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so 8 into 2 is 16. So we got NP is equal to 16 centimeter. What is NP? What is NP? What was NP? NP is this much. So if this much NP is 16 centimeter, how much will be PQ, the whole chord? It will be 16 plus 16, 32. But that we have to write. Okay. So I'll write NP is equal to 16 centimeter. Therefore, chord PQ is equal to, now I'll write, therefore chord PQ is equal to 2 into NP. Why? Write the reason. The perpendicular from the center of the circle, from the center of circle to the chord, bisects the chord, bisects the chord. The perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Okay, equal parts में divide करता है. So therefore, how much will be the full chord? The whole chord will be 2 into 16. So chord PQ will be 16 2s are 32 centimeter. Easy? So final answer I'll write. Length of the chord is 32 centimeter. Okay children, so I told you to do the sum on your own, but still I showed all the steps. Calculation you can do according to your convenience. I liked it to do this way, so I did it this way. I hope you understood all the 3 sums that I discussed. The remaining sums try to solve. We will meet with the remaining 3 sums soon. Till then, bye, take care.